शहीदों को इंसाफ दो, इंसाफ दो।
Kashmiri Pandit, he will never die. You can just kill the body. And I, being a Hindu, I have read Quran. And Quran says कि ये जो चोला है, ये शरीर का जो चोला है, ये तो बदल जाएगा, लेकिन जो इंसान का स्पिरिट है, उसका जज्बा है, वो कहीं नहीं जाएगा. Makhalnal Bindru will be alive in the spirit.
On the evening of October 5th, Makhalnal Bindru was shot dead right outside his pharmacy near Iqbal Park in Srinagar. He was one of the few Kashmiri Pandits who had stayed on in the valley despite militancy in the 1990s. He had even gone on to run a successful business. An hour after Bindru was shot at point blank range, Virinder Paswan, a street vendor from Bihar, was killed in Lal Bazar area on the outskirts of Srinagar. Within minutes of the second killing, another civilian, Mohammad Shafi, was shot dead in North Kashmir's Bandipora district. Less than 48 hours later, Supinder Kaur and Deepak Chand, both government school teachers, were shot dead by militants in the Eidgah area of Old City, Srinagar. The targeted killings of members of minority community and non-locals has brought back a sense of fear in the valley.
When, like Mr. Bindru was killed, honestly, it was totally confusing. My mind was not going to strike this thing. It is a direct attack on the minority.
Sanjay Saraf is a Kashmiri Pandit and leader of Lok Jan Shakti Party. He is also among the few Kashmiri Pandits who remained in the valley in 1990s. After the killings, several Kashmiri Pandits who had returned to the valley after they were given jobs under the PM's package in recent years are leaving again.
There is no Jagmohan as on date, bhai. All the PM package people, 6,000 people, they have left within 24 hours. Vesu people have left. All the PM package, Baramulla from people have left. Sheikhpura people have left. Almost from every corner, everybody has left. Nobody knows what is the reason and why things are happening like that. What is the issue?
According to the police, the Resistance Front has claimed responsibility for the attacks. The group, which is believed to be a frontal organization of Pakistan-based Lashkar-e-Taiba outfit, was formed after the center ended J&K's special status in 2019. The TRF has pointed to the new domicile laws, affiliation to RSS, and forcing students to participate in Independence Day programs as reasons to target and kill minorities as well as non-locals. This year, so far, 28 civilians, including 7 from minority community, have been killed in Kashmir. While killing of civilians is nothing new here, the increase in attacks on members of minority community is being linked to fears of a demographic change in the only Muslim majority state of the country.
अभी ये लोकल हमारी जो ये सदा लड़की जो मारी गई है, ये बाज़ाफ्ता एक लोकल लड़की है जो यहाँ पिछले 30 साल में रही है. अभी अगर दफ्तर से निकाल के इसको मारा गया, उन्होंने उसका कार्ड भी देखा गया, तो ये बहुत गलत है. हम इसे कंडेम करते हैं. देश में आग लगी हुई है, यूपी में इलेक्शन है, पंजाब में एक प्रॉब्लम चल रही है किसानों की, और ऐसी सिचुएशन जो है उसमें से ऐसे लोग ड्राइव करते हैं सिचुएशन. तो हम नहीं चाहते कि हम लोग किसी का मोहरा बन जाएं इससे यहाँ पर. और कश्मीर का माहौल जो पिछले 30 साल में चाहे खराब हुआ, लेकिन यहाँ कभी क्रिमिनल नहीं हुआ.
Killings by militants has dented the central government's claims that normalcy has returned to the erstwhile state after abrogation of Article 370.
क्योंकि ये मुझे कोई ना कहे कि हमें इस तरह की खबर नहीं थी. हुकूमत से दूर रह के भी पिछले लगातार 1.5-2 महीने से मैं सुनता आ रहा हूँ कि यहाँ पे माइनॉरिटी कम्युनिटीज़ को निशाना बनाया जाएगा. अब ऐसा डर, ऐसी दहशत फैली हुई है कि हर कोई सोचता है कि मैं कितनी जल्दी यहाँ से निकल पाऊँ.
बिल्कुल साजिश है, जहाँ पर कश्मीर के एक अपने जो जहाँ का एक रवायत है उसको धक्का लगाने के लिए, उसको ठेस पहुँचाने के लिए ये एक साजिश है. कश्मीरी लोकल जो मुसलमान है उसको बदनाम करने के लिए ये एक साजिश है. जहाँ पर जो लोग अपना काम कारोबार करने के लिए, पेट भरने के लिए जहाँ पर बाहर से आते हैं, उनको निशाना बनाने की ये एक साजिश है. ये दिखाने की कि कश्मीर में आपसी जो मेल जोल, जहाँ आपस में जो लोगों का प्यार मोहब्बत जिसके साथ लोग रहते नहीं है, दहशतगर्द इसका पैमाना तय नहीं कर सकेंगे।
Fears of another migration from the valley have begun to surface, and many like Sanjay Saraf have started to call on the Muslim majority to speak out.
Kashmiri Pandits is a 5,000-year-old story. They have migrated so many times. Now, what we have seen within our era, I think this is the another migration, what I feel personally. Introspection should be done by the civil society. If Kashmiri Pandit is safe in Kashmir, he is only then safe when local majority of the people are with him. When they are not with him, then he is not safe. जो गन कल्चर है, गन थ्रेट जो है, मेरे को लगता है उस थ्रेट की वजह से मेरी शायद मेजॉरिटी कम्युनिटी डेयर नहीं कर रही है सामने आने को, क्योंकि हर एक को जिंदगी प्यारी है. लाइफ इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, वेरी प्रेशियस फॉर एवरीवन.
In Srinagar, Zulfikar Majid for Deccan Herald.